Good morning, dear students. Last class we discussed and completed the answers of video assignments and revision. Hope you all got answers and understood the concept well. If any doubt, please mention it in the comment box and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for further notifications. Today we will discuss book exercise of chapter 2, that is components of food. I know all of you have completed that exercise, but you are 6th class students. That's why I am also discussing this exercise here. Please check whether your answers are correct or not. Let us discuss the first book exercise, that is objective type question. Question number 1. Select the correct option. A source of vitamin D is. 4 options are given here. First, milk. Second, tomato. Third, wheat. Fourth, citrus fruits. We studied earlier, main source of vitamin D is sunlight. But in food items, we have to find out. Here, the citrus fruits we studied, it contains vitamin C. Wheat is a carbohydrate contained food. Then tomato contains vitamin K. Then what is left, you know. That is the correct answer. Next question B. Mineral required for strong bones and teeth. Here 4 options. 1 iodine, 2 calcium, 3 iron, 4 sodium. You studied that. The different types of minerals. Then 2 minerals are needed for strong bones and teeth. In this option, 1 mineral is given. 1 correct answer you have to find out. That is, the iodine helps in the physical and mental growth of children. Then lack of this deficiency disease goiter will come, you know. Then iron. What is the function of iron? Needed to make blood. Sodium. Control body fluid balances and functions of muscles. Then 1 mineral is left. That is calcium. Next C part. The component of food that is needed for the proper bowel movement is 1. Fat, 2. Protein, 3. Roughage, 4. Vitamins. First you think the functions of these options. 1 correct answer is there. First fat. What is that? Energy giving food. Then protein, body building food. Vitamins, protective food. What is left? That is roughage or fiber. Bowel movement means that solid waste is discharging in the act of defecation, that the proper movement of solid waste which is helping, that is we know roughage. D. Protective foods are 1. Proteins and fats, 2. Carbohydrates and minerals, 3. Vitamins and minerals, 4. Carbohydrates and protein. First you look the functions of these options. We know that proteins, body building food, carbohydrates and fats, energy giving food. Then which part is giving protection from diseases? They are vitamins and minerals. E. We get roughage from. Roughage means fiber. 1. Chicken and eggs. 2. Cucumber and all grains. 3. Milk and curd. 4. Butter and cream. You look the functions of these food items, what they are giving. Then we know that chicken and eggs, protein they are giving. Butter and cream, fat giving. These all things we know that we studied the roughage means fiber. It is only getting from plants. That is the second option. You know that cucumber and all grains. Second part of the questions, fill in the blanks. That is the very easy questions. A part. Goiter can be prevented by taking dash. You studied earlier different types of minerals. Iodine, iron, sodium, calcium, etc. Goiter means a deficiency disease. That is the swelling of neck. It is prevented by taking which mineral? You know it very well. Then seafood contains this mineral, that is iodine. Then B. Water is not just available through drinks but also from dash. You know, water is getting from different food items like fresh vegetables and fruits. Then other food items also. C. Dash and fats are energy giving food. We studied earlier. According to the action of the food in our body, they are divided into three categories. Energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. Dash and fats are energy giving food. Very clearly we know the cereals are giving carbohydrates and fats are energy giving food. D. Dietary fibers help in the process of dash. First you think the function of the fibers. We studied earlier, prevents constipation, the easy removal of undigested food and helping digestion. Then E part. The components of food which are very important to keep us healthy though required in very small quantities are dash and minerals. We studied earlier the different types of nutrients present in food, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. We need very small quantities, the protective food. They are vitamins and minerals. Thank you. Have a nice day.